Banga soup when go bang. Now from the face you go say no. Just relax. Let me take you through the process on how I made this confirmed Delta style banga soup. This video is well detailed, so please don't miss out on any clip because I'm going to be sharing the tricks and tips to make your banga soup come out looking like this. First, get your palm fruit. You are going to pour them in water and allow it to boil until soft. So when you go to the market, you tell them to give you a mixture of agric and native. If you tell the seller like that, they know what to give to you. I will also take you through the process on how to extract the juice for your banga. Now get your mortar. If you don't have a mortar, you can use blender. Sorry, I mean your food processor. Now pour the banga into the mortar. You are going to pound this for about 5 minutes. If you cook this till it's very, very soft, it won't take up to 5 minutes. You are going to pound this until the flesh separates from the nut. And everything should come out looking like this. You can see from the video, right? Once everything is looking like this, you should know it is ready and you can start adding water. Now, this is the tricky part of extracting your juice. You want to add water gradually. You don't just pour the water once. You add it small. By the way, the water is not hot water. It is normal room temperature water, like it's coming straight from the tank. You can see I added little water. Now you are going to use your hand to squeeze this banga. You are going to squeeze it until you have something thick and creamy like this. At this point, you can now add more water, but make sure this creamy goodness comes out first. Can you see how thick it's looking? That's how your banga should look too. You can see that even when I added water again, I did not just add the water at once. So I am doing it in 3 stages. I did it again and again and again. I extracted every juice from this palm fruit. The palm fruit shell should come out looking clean like this, and the shaft should also come out dry. In my village, we call this a tar. It is sun-dried and used to like light fire for firewood. Our juice is ready, but wait. Don't just put it on fire yet. Let me share this hack that my mom taught me with you. You are going to pour the banga into another plate. As you are pouring, once you get to the ending, you are going to pause, and when you pause, you are going to see these dark things. You don't want them in your soup. I repeated this process twice before I put the banga on fire. Everything for the soup is set, from your palm fruit to your banga spices, crayfish, beletete, onions, pepper, and thoroughly cleaned catfish. You're going to put the banga juice on fire. Can you see how thick this is looking? I've not started cooking, no, and it's looking so thick. Don't cover your pot at this stage. Please open it. Bring this to a rolling boil. While that is cooking, I'm going to prep the other ingredients. I'm going to select my crayfish and blend it into a smooth powder. All done, I'm also going to prep the pepper and onions. Add the pepper to a blender and your onions. Please, if you no get onions, no cook banga soup. Add enough onions to your banga soup. Very important. Our banga is already boiling, like it temper dey hot. But no fear, temper when go up go come down. As the temper don't come down, I will just scrape the sides into the soup. The first thing to add when cooking your banga soup is your pepper and onions. Just put them in, give them a good stir. If you have any stubborn meat and pomo that have refused to become soft, please add them at this point. I added the crayfish and the banga soup spice. The banga soup spice I like to use is IDS. I don't know if you know it, but it's a popular brand. It is very good. I highly recommend you get it for your banga soup. At this junction, our soup is already coming together. Now add your salt and seasoning cubes. I am using catfish for this recipe, so any serere you are using, whether rat or rabbit or put it inside your soup now. Whatever protein you are using should go in now. Another trick when making banga soup is add your crayfish first before any other seasoning. This way you can control how the food should taste. Do this and thank me later. Cover your pot, let it cook for a while. Then you can turn your fish so that all the sides will be properly cooked. Mind you, the energy you use for turning eba, that's not what you should use for stirring your soup. If not, your fish will scatter. And you don't want that. Lastly, add your beletete. If you are using bitter leaf, you can add it at this point and your soup is ready. Oh, omyo. Can you see how thick this is looking? This is how to make confirmed Delta Banga soup. See, you don't need corn flour to thicken your soup. This soup will thicken on its own, and that's how you know you're on the right track. Before you bail out, say this video don't finish, how far you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel? Oh yeah, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, drop a comment and share this video with someone that needs it. That one too is part of this recipe. It's one of the tricks that will make your banga soup to come out very well. Now tell me, which swallow pairs well with banga soup? Is it stash? Is it yellow gari? Is it fufu? I think these are the top 3. Semo and all those serere does not come close. Ongwano, bye. Thanks for watching.